Imagine boosting your brand recognition and email engagement effortlessly. BIMI, or Brand Indicators for Message Identification, does just that by displaying your logo in email avatars, enhancing trust and credibility with recipients. BIMI works alongside DMARC to improve email security. By enforcing DMARC policies, you not only protect your brand, but also increase email deliverability and open rates, making your communications more effective. BIMI displays your brand logo in the email avatar slot, but it requires DMARC enforcement. This means your domain must have a policy of P=quarantine or P=reject to function properly. Your BIMI record lives in your DNS as a TXT file. When an email is sent, the recipient server checks this record to verify the sender, ensuring your logo is displayed only if authentication is successful. Start with DMARC enforcement, which typically takes 6 to 8 weeks. Prepare your logo in SVG format and obtain a MARC certificate. Once ready, publish your BIMI record and monitor its performance. Use tools like Sift OnDMARC to streamline the process. They provide guidance and automation checks to ensure your BIMI implementation is smooth and effective, reducing trial and error. With BIMI, you can achieve increased open rates and brand recall. It enhances consumer confidence and email legitimacy, playing a crucial role in reducing phishing and spoofing risks. Start your BIMI journey today and see the difference it makes in your email communications. By implementing BIMI, you'll not only protect your brand, but also boost your marketing efforts. For more information, visit redsift.com.